Got a new wheel for it. Fortunately, the first thing I actually have to address is that this guy is loose. That's not supposed to be loose. That's bad. I'm also finally going to put this chain guard bracket on. I don't know why I didn't put it on right away, but friendly reminder, cross-threading is an acceptable form of cutting metal. There's no space. Up. I also have this heat shield from the old engine. I guess it's a heat shield. Doesn't really fit, we're gonna try and put it on anyway. Good enough. Okay, now we can move on to the actual meat and potatoes of taking this wheel off and putting that wheel on. Get over here. Normally I wouldn't use a cinder block as a jack stand, but in this case, I don't think it's gonna get crushed. I mean, this weighs nothing. Look how small it is. That's probably fine. Well, this is like this, you know, on a stand. Might not be a bad idea to get the tire itself off of the rim. You can order these with the tire on them. I just didn't want to. Okay, so now that that's off, and I didn't record it because all we gotta do is threaten this thing with a hammer so it comes off. Wow, that took way too long to get off. After you hammer the old one off, you get to put the new one on. But first you gotta put that on there. I'm not gonna record that because it's a pain in the butt. You thought I was gonna put a new tire on that. You thought wrong. No, I said I had something special planned because I wanted to test out an idea I had a very long time ago. Ta-da! That is a lawnmower tire. And we got two of them. One is run flat. Thought it'd be funny to get two different tires. I didn't have to, just, you know, thought it'd be funny. The big issue now is that it has started to rain, so I'm just gonna get all this reassembled because I don't have time to record because it's gonna rain. I don't regret this decision at all. I do regret not looking at the weather forecast. These guys, not sponsored. Go buy stuff from them, they're cool. Well, the rain got worse, so change of plans. We're not doing a driving video. I do have the old tires, so if I want to put them back on, I can have that one mounted. I tried. I really did. It took me from 9 a.m. to 1:30 to realize it would not go on. Just pay someone to do it. There's some things, right? If you have a full-size tire, you can actually mount it yourself. You can't balance it. You probably can't get everything perfect on it, but you can mount it yourself and have a tire shop balance it, and you're saving yourself some money. When it is this small, there's no weight to it. It's not going to keep itself on the ground, and the tires are hard as a rock. It's not going to happen. Just pay someone. Unless you're cool and you have the tool to do it yourself. Because you can buy tools to do it, but I don't have money to buy tools to do it because I spent money on tools for my job. That's all. Well, you can leave now. The video's over.